Hello everyone, today we are going to learn make holes in TinkerCAD. So you can create for the box objects as example, and for holes you can use these tools. Okay, cylinder. So we'll create holes in the top here. Now you can change for size these hole objects. You can click and I will set for the dimensions into 15 and seconds into 15. Press enter. Now to move into center points, these objects, you can use the align tools. You can select these two objects and then click these icons, align. Okay, we can move to the center here and also at this point. The next, you can click in the bottom. Okay, now to make hole, you can select all objects and then click these icons, union group, and it will be automatically create hole. Okay, that's it for basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to make a hole.